If you've ever needed to collect info online, chances are you've touched either Google Forms or Jotform. But which one actually suits your workflow? Google Forms is simple, clean, and totally free. You can build surveys, quizzes, and RSVP forms in minutes. No design skills needed. It autosaves to Google Drive, and the responses are exportable to Sheets instantly. It's perfect for schools, nonprofits, solo creators who just need to get the job done. But it's basic. No advanced logic, limited layout control, and no native payment integrations. Jotform steps in when you need more power. It offers drag-and-drop flexibility, visual themes, conditional logic, electronic signatures, and over 100 integrations, from PayPal to Airtable. There's even HIPAA compliance and workflow automation for pro users. But the free tier has tight limits: 5 forms, 100 monthly submissions, and you'll need to upgrade fast if you scale. Google Forms is the go-to for teachers, event planners, and internal surveys. Jotform is the pick for agencies, small businesses, and anyone charging clients or automating workflows. Use Google Forms if you need speed, simplicity, and zero cost, and use Jotform if you want design freedom, business features, or integrations out of the box. Still unsure? Want me to, explain how they handle file uploads or payments? Drop a comment. I'll walk you through it. See you in the next video.